What is up, my KB beauties? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Coleen Hair. So I did get a pack of wig caps and I got a nice little pair of lashes. Then here is a wig, a nice little lace closure body wave wig, and it's highlights. You know, we love a good highlighted wig. So here is the wig on my head, just trying it on, seeing how it fits. It does have an adjustable elastic band on the inside, which is really good, so I can adjust the tightness and how tight I want it to fit on my head. So I'm lifting the lace back so I can apply some hairspray. This is the Even adhesive spray. We don't need a lot because it is a closure, and these are really great because they are low maintenance, so they don't really require a lot. I went ahead and I cut the lace off just to go ahead and get it out of the way before it dries down. Now that the lace has been cut off, I'm just going to make any touch-ups that I need to make, any adjustments. If any more lace needs to be cut, I'm doing that. And I'm also just pressing the lace into my skin to make sure that it melts. So the wig is installed. It took no time at all. We're moving on to styling. So first, I'm just going in with the hot comb over the part because I want to press that out, make sure it's laying nice and flat. It did already come pre-parted, so we're keeping the middle part. But like I said, I'm just going over that with the hot comb to really make the top look nice and sleek. Now I'm going to cut some layers into the bang part of the wig, like where the hair falls in my face. Anytime that I'm cutting layers, I am doing curls because the curls just fall and they drop and they lay so much better when you do that. So I just grab the hair in the front and then I just start cutting down at an angle, and that's how I do my layers. I'm taking the Cheese Silk Infusion serum and I'm going to apply a very small amount, like a pea size amount of that, and apply it on to the hair. Now using my Remington oval curling wand, that's how I'm going to achieve my curls today. So I'm just starting with the bang and I'm going to work my way around. I'm curling the hair away from my face. So this is one side done, super pretty, exactly how I want my curls to look. So of course I'm going to begin curling the other side as well. And once I complete curling this side, that will be it for this install. Nothing left to really do, no baby hairs. I like to keep it really simple, really natural, really just easy install. Took no time at all, less than 10 minutes. So I love that, especially during the summer. This is definitely a grab and go type of wig, and the lace blended really well into my skin. So if you guys want the same look, I will have everything listed down below, so make sure you check that out. Like, comment, and sub if you're not already, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Love you, bye.